How to add international contact phone numbers on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure that you have logged into your account. Now tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. So as you tap on it, you can see the option of new contact. So tap on new contact. And as you tap on new contact, tap on the first name over here. Now I'm gonna just give a random name over here, and then in this country code just tap on it, and as you do that you can see whichever contact or country code you would like to select. So here I'm going to go for Bhutan over here, and then just enter a very random number over here, and then tap on save. And as you tap on save, you'll be able to see the number at the bottom or where you have just saved the number. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.